The Calvo Armengol International Prize was established to honor the memory of Antoni Calvo Armengol. The prize, when it was established, aimed to reflect how was Tony when he left us. He was a young scientist full of energy, creative, academically rigorous, internationally recognized, and at the same time socially committed. That is the profile of the awardees of the prize.
Today, Ben Golub makes this ceremony special in this edition of the prize because it recognizes work on the social role of networks, a topic on which Tony really pioneered. And Ben Golub has lived the spectacular growth of the field from the inside, contributing to it from different angles.
It's very special to me to get a prize in honor of Tony because his work has really been central in my life as a scholar. So I came to Barcelona first in 2010 for the first Calvo Prize workshop that was organized by Esther Duflo, who was the first winner. That was an incredible experience for me because of seeing Barcelona for the first time and meeting the economics community here. But also because in this workshop that she organized, there was so much sadness, but also kind of energy coming from honoring Tony's memory. And there was just this amazing energy from bringing together some of the best applied researchers and network theorists. And it led to a lot of ideas and the birth of a lot of collaborations that have persisted to this day. I'm just so grateful to have been a part of this story and been included. And that makes me think of another community that I am grateful to. These are all the people that I've been lucky to work with over the years. So I just want to close by saying how grateful I am to have worked with my co-authors and by dedicating this prize to them. Thank you so much.